Jack in a Box came out with a new chicken sandwich to compete with the other fast food chains.
What?
The bun, it is toasted, and inside it has, is that 3 pickles? Yeah, 3 pickles with specialties. Yeah, special sauce.
Very good.
It's better than I thought.
It's definitely better than the Vaughn's one. It's very juicy, and the sauce is very
Tender.
good. Yeah, and tender.
Is it spicy? It has a red sauce in there.
No, not spicy at all.
It kind of tastes like mayo or something.
Oh, spicy mayonnaise.
How does it compare to Popeyes?
Popeye should just put the crispiness a little more down. I don't like my chicken too crispy. I just want it crispy enough to be good.
It has like a lot of flavor, but
Yeah.
the thing I don't like about it is really like small.
Kind of tastes like Popeyes a little bit, just less crunchy. Kind of the vibe.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Mommy, Daddy.
Okay.
Do you think the sauce is sweeter?
Yes.
Kind
Yeah.
of like a sweet and spicy sauce, but more on the sweet side in my opinion.
Yep.
You guys recommend this sandwich?
Yes.
Pretty good.
Thank you
For watching.